Good morning, students. We are again with each other, and we are with our English book in front of us, and hope you are ready with the page. We were doing our lesson Clever Tenali, you remember it, and the exercise we have completed up till page. Children, do you remember up till which page we completed solving, discussing our exercise? It's your page number 37, don't you? Yes. So, we have discussed the page 35 exercise, and hope you remember the story behind this play and the lesson, and here we are on page number 37, and it is the first question we are going to see is our reference to context on this page. Can you see over here reference to context, and what this reference to context tell us to do? Read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. In this sentence is from the text, and reference means आपके जो lesson से sentence लिया जाता है उसके संदर्भ में आपको कुछ questions पूछे जाते हैं और उसमें उसके base पे आपको you have to answer it. So, the sentence which is taken from the lesson is the robbers heard it too. So, what is it that is being talked about? यानी कि ये sentence में जो ये it है, the robbers heard it too, यानी कि ये जो it है इसमें ये क्या सुना था robbers ने? What is it that is being talked about? इसका it का क्या मतलब है? It means the wealth of the Tenali Raman's house, okay, all the wealth of his house, उसके बारे में ये जो robbers थे उन्होंने सुना, okay, he heard about the wealth of Tenali Raman's, okay. B, how had it been spread? ये जो it है wealth के बारे में जो बात हो रही है sentence में, ये spread कैसे हुई? तो Tenali Raman told his wife to spread the story of his house wealth in the whole Vijayanagar. So, this is the way the story is spread, okay. See, what was the aim in spreading it? उनका उद्देश्य क्या था, उनका एम यानी कि लक्ष्य क्या था वो स्टोरी को स्प्रेड करने में, वेल्थ की स्टोरी को स्प्रेड करने में? इट वॉज टू सी whether the robbers are getting the knowledge of this story and how they are going to come and take or rob this wealth of Tenali Raman. So, this is the aim, and Tenali Raman wanted to catch them red handed. D, what did the robbers do after hearing it? Robbers ने जैसे ही wealth के बारे में सुना उन्होंने क्या किया? They all decided to go together and they went to the well where this first they decided one of the robbers to go and do the job in Tenali Raman's house. You remember the story? Yes, even I went out of my track. It happens, children, we are human beings, okay. So, one of the robber went to Tenali Raman's house to take up the job, and so that he can do a spy or he can look the actions and the behavior or whatever Tenali Raman is doing in his daily work to find it out, okay. So, we will go to the next question. It's HOTS, means higher order thinking skill question. Let us see what it is asking us to do. If we remain calm, we can easily find a solution to any problem. So, what you are going to do is write a story, incident story means it may be in your life, may have taken place. So, you are going to, children, you are going to write a story, okay, and where your incident where you were alone and you solved a problem by remaining calm and thinking correctly. तो आपको एक स्टोरी लिखनी है जिसमें आपने तेनाली रमन का जॉब किया, मीन्स यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम, you faced the problem and you yourself solved it, and you solved it in which or how you solved it by remaining calm and thinking logically correctly. Okay. So, you are going to do this story writing and send it to me. I will see what beautiful stories you have in your mind. Yes, next exercise, talk, telling directions. Let's see what this exercise is asking us to do. Look at the sketch below. आपको sketch ये जो बना हुआ है drawing ये देखना है. Work in pairs and have a conversation using words in the box. आपके जो conversation है ये box में जो words दिए हैं उसके हिसाब से आपको ये conversation बनाना है. So pupil A asks question and pupil B will answer. Then reverse role. फिर आप उल्टा कर सकते हैं. Question will be given to pupil B and answers part will be given to pupil A. Okay children. So you are going to do, and even I am going to send my written notes how you have to do it. It's medical room, and over here there are two persons, that is pupil A and pupil B. As you are going to do this conversation, there are two persons over here. Medical room is there, office is a picture is the sketch, and then you have a water taps, then you have class A, B, then class 1A, class 1B, then you have class 2A, class 2B, and you have a library over here. And how the conversation will begin, and here's your school garden, and here see what the first person, the pupil A, is asking. Excuse me, can you please tell me the way to the library? So how you are going to guide this pupil A, the girl, to the way to the library, and it is the path over here where they are standing, it's next to the garden. And how the boy has helped the girl, that is pupil A, how the pupil B has helped the pupil A. Sure, go straight and turn right, the fifth room is the library. So this way you are going to ask about all the classes also, the tabs area, water taps area, medical room, office, and all the other 4 classes. You are going to set the questions and you are going to set the answers. So how many questions and how many answers will be there? One is done for you for library. See how many areas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the garden 8. Garden is right in front of you. Okay children, so there will be 8 questions and 8 answers in your conversation. Hope you will be able to do this, and don't take the help of mother. It's the 2 sentences are given to you. So you are going to just change the word. Instead of library, you are going to put water taps, or instead of water tap, you are going to change the word medical room, and so forth. And in your answer, you are going to just see whether that area is towards the left or towards the right of your garden area. Okay children, you are going to go straight and you are going to guide for your medical room, office, and water tap. It's on the left hand side of your garden. You are going to walk straight and left hand, and rest of the rooms you are going to help the person by putting your right turn. Okay children? Yes. So hope you will be able to do it. Let's go to the page 38, and these all things you are going to do it. I'll do it for you one. You are going to do the rest. See over here, listen. For this exercise, you are going to open your textbook to page number 140. See children, over here you can see it's written listening text on page number 140. Listen to the story and number the pictures correctly. आपको story पढ़नी है या किसी से read करवानी है, and you are going to find the numbering. By reading the story, you will able to find what picture will come first and which picture will be the next one. So there are 4 pictures over here. Okay children? Yes, go for the speech. This we will do it right now. You are going to repeat after the expert. Your experts are your parents and your teachers, and the vowel sound over here is I, as in it. It's your I का sound pit में pit होगा. It is pit, bill, fill, fish, win, interest, clip. Can you see this word over here children? Clip. Then you have your rib. 1 minute children. Okay. It's your clip, rib, pick, lip, ship, slim. So, hope you got the pronunciation of this wall I. Okay children, let us go for the grammar part. The grammar over here is nouns. Okay. Nouns, names of persons, places, animals and things are called nouns. So, आपका जो name है person का, place का, animal or things are your nouns. But there are various types of nouns children. We will come to know when we are doing a go for a further exercise. Examples over here: boy, table, school, dog. So, according to my knowledge, if I tell you these all 4 examples are your common noun. Let us see, guess who am I or who I am. Okay. So, 1, you are going to give the name of the thing over here. 1, I give you fruits and shade. So, who give you fruit and shade? Very good, tree. So, you are going to fill over here with the letters, the spelling of your tree over here in this box area given to you. So, you are going to soon do it, very easy this work is, exercise children. Okay. Hope you have understood how to fill your tree. It should be in capital letter T, capital letter R, capital letter E is given and one more capital letter E. I give you rain, this is 2, I give you rain. Now, from where the rain comes down? From your cloud. So, your cloud is responsible for pouring the rainwater on the earth. So, the spelling of cloud you are going to put over here. It's, you know the spelling. Hope so you will be able to do this exercise perfectly with your spellings. I will read for you and then you can solve it on your own. Okay children, see the 3. You use me to cross a river. आप river को cross करने के लिए किसको use करते हैं? O is given. So, it's very easy answer. You are going to solve it. 4. You use me when you play cricket. आप cricket खेलते time किसको use करते हैं? It's W over here. That means one word is there which starts with W. Okay. 5. You use me to keep money. आप किस चीज़ को use करते हैं? आपकी मम्मी क्या use करती हैं उसमें money रखने के लिए? So, you are going to write that word over here. The thing which is used by your mummy to put money, it may be the small one, big one. Okay. Yes. Common nouns and proper nouns. Now, we have some come to our types of nouns. The names we give in general to persons, places, animals or things of same kind are common nouns. Like example, man, traffic, आदमी कोई सा भी हो सकता है, ट्रैफिक कोई सी भी हो सकती है, लाइट, ट्रैफिक लाइट कोई सी भी कलर की लाइट हो सकती है, हाउस एंड बैग. So, these are your common nouns. Now, let us go and see the exercise question. The names we give to specific person, places, animals or things are proper nouns. So, हम जिस चीज़ को common noun को अगर specific नाम दे दें उसको हम proper noun बोलते हैं. Okay children, now over here they are telling us to read further. Let us read further. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. This also you have to remember. Proper noun always begins with capital letter. Yes. Example, name of a place Delhi, name of a person girl Reena, name of again a boy Rocky. A. Look at the pictures, write C beside common nouns and P besides proper nouns. Very easy. So, here aeroplane can be anything, means कोई से भी aeroplane को हम aeroplane बोल सकते हैं. It should have a proper company name of that aeroplane. So, here it is your common noun. I am going to do only 2 for you, rest you are going to do. Okay. There is the name of a particular specific name दिया है ये girl का, Reema. So, it's your proper noun P. The remaining 3, 4, 5, 6 you are going to solve it. Yes. B. The nouns in bold in the given sentences have got mixed up. Choose the correct nouns to make correct sentences. So, this also is very easy. Easiest as like above exercise. 1. Fish swim in the sky. Do the fish swim in the sky? No. So, the next the correct answer will be what? Sea or land? That you have to give me the answer. Okay. 2. The tiger cub grew up to be a full grown elephant. क्या टाइगर जब बड़ा होता है तो एलिफेंट बन जाता है? नो ना. सो व्हाट इट विल व्हेन इट ग्रोज अप, टाइगर कब जो टाइगर का बेबी होता है वो बड़ा होकर एलिफेंट बनता है, लायन बनता है कि टाइगर बनता है? दिस यू हैव टू डिसाइड एंड टेल मी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट. वी रोड द बलून्स अक्रॉस द रिवर. सो वी रोड द बलून अक्रॉस द रिवर, यानी कि आपका जो बलून जो बोल्ड है, तो और अगर हम अक्रॉस द रिवर जाएंगे तो बलून से जाएंगे, बोट से जाएंगे कि कार से जाएंगे? दिस यू हैव टू डिसाइड. टेक आउट योर बुक एंड राइट विथ इट. आप बुक निकाल के बुक से लिखेंगे, नोटबुक से लिखेंगे कि पेंसिल से लिखेंगे? वेरी गुड. द मून शाइन्स ड्यूरिंग द डे. मून जो है दिन में शाइन होता है. ओके, सो यू आर गोइंग टू राइट मून शाइन होता है दिन में कि सन के स्टार्स? दिस यू हैव टू डिसाइड. 6. द कैट रैन आफ्टर द डॉग. तो आपका जो डॉग है, कैट जो है डॉग के पीछे पीछे भागता है कि कैट माउस के पीछे भागती है कि एलिफेंट के पीछे भागती है? तो आपको बताना है whether this cat is running behind dog, mouse or elephant. 7. You should wear polished socks. आप socks को polish करते हो कि shoes को कि dress को? That you have to decide. It's really very interesting exercise over here. Okay, what you're going to do? Take the crayons in your hands. Which color crayons you're going to take? Red for proper noun and green for common noun. Color the proper nouns with red crayon and common nouns with green crayon. Japan. Japan is your proper noun. So, proper noun will be colored with your red crayon. And fan is your common noun, will be colored with your green crayon. And rest you are going to do it and show it to me. D. Look at the pairs of pictures and make nouns. One is done for you. This is also very interesting. See over here. First picture is snow, second picture is fall. एक लड़का गिर गया तो it is what? Snowfall as an example. See over here, it's one foot है, एक foot है और ये ball है. So easy ना, football. Now you are going to do the rest too with your own knowledge. Hope you will be able to do it. Learn new words. See this new word, what it is telling us to do? What are these? Fill in the missing letters. I grow with leaves and branches. Very easy. The same type of exercise had come in your previous pages. So you are going to solve this. Let's see the next page. You cook your food on it. आप अपना खाना किस पे बनाते हैं? It starts with S. You wear them on your feet, but they are not shoes. आप feet पे पहनते हो but shoes नहीं है, तो क्या हो सकता है S से? Other word, very good. 4. It keeps time on your wrist. आपके wrist पे जो आप पहनते हो वो time आपको बताता है. Okay, so it's very easy. It's the word is starting with the letter W. So you are going to do it for your benefit. Okay, children, spell. Underline the words that are spelled incorrectly and write the correct spelling. Let's do the one and you are going to do the rest. This only 3 are given. Sona's HERT, heart leapt with joy. जब आप खुशी के मारे उछल जाते हो तो आपका क्या उछल जाता है? It's over here, heart, HEART. You are going to underline the incorrect word and you are going to correct it. Okay, the spelling is HEART. You are going to do this. I'll write for you over here. It's over here, HEART, heart. Okay, children, you are going to underline it also. The rest I will just read for you and you will do it. Okay, underline also you will do. Children, I am not going to show which word is wrong over here. See the spelling of the two. Okay, the kingdom. Kingdom was surrounded by pretty flowers. So the spelling of which word is wrong and you are going to correct it. Tenali was busy making a path for the water to flow towards the plants. So आपका कौन से वर्ड का स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है वो आपको अंडरलाइन करना है एंड यू आर गोइंग टू गिव द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग. एंड व्हाट इज दिस दे आर टेलिंग अस टू डू? दे आर टेलिंग अस टू राइट अ स्टोरी. Look at the pictures and write what Sona did or saw in the forest. So, you may use the helping words given below each picture. हर एक picture पे आपके 3 words दिए हैं और 2 words. So, with the help of these words, you are going to write a story. Okay. See over here, the first picture is through forest dance. The next picture, beautiful birds, sweet songs, and the next third picture is given thirsty stream, drink water, and the last picture has given feed squirrels, birds. And here we have winded up our lessons, exercise we have discussed. Hope you have understood the discussion and hope you have started solving the exercise on your own too. I will soon give you my written notes. Till then children, you are going to read the lesson again and again if you do not understand and try to solve your exercise. All the best children. Thank you. Have a good day.